To adjust chain tension, we have made the upper hole slightly bigger than the lower hole. That will allow the side bracket to move on this direction, and that will help for chain tension. So we need to loosen screws, not completely, just to allow movement of the bracket. Then you must repeat this step on the other side. If you see, we can adjust for chain tension. You can see here. So you just take your finger, put it on the back of the chain. We need this slack here also. So first you tighten the lower screw on this side. Here we have some slack. That's enough. Repeat the procedure on the other side on the lower screw. Okay, now we need to tighten this side. So we start tightening. Until we finish tightening, you can check the chain slack, because when you tighten, probably the chain slack is going to reduce. You need to make sure that the collars and the side brackets are touching each other, otherwise your chain tension will change afterwards. So check chain slack, it's okay. So we finish tightening. Now we tighten the upper screw. Now we go to the other side. We check chain slack again. There should be some slack. Here it's a little bit tight. So what we can do is we move this part up a little bit. If you see, that changes it drastically. So you need to perhaps push it a little bit downwards until you have the desired chain slack. And then you hold the bracket when you are going to tighten. So you hold the bracket, finish tightening, and there you see we have some slack. The chain should be able to move around ½ inch, so that's okay, and that will guarantee that we are not stressing the bicycle gear sprocket above. Thank you.